Here's my Snugpak tactical bunker shelter. I just set it up today. This is right outside of my apartment. This is a $285 tent. All four season tent. It repels water, rain, snow, weather resistant, and it's got all the what do you call it? Ventilation, so there would be no condensation inside. It was a bit tricky for me to set it up because I have no experience in setting up tents, but it was not so bad after I watched the YouTube on how to set up this tent. And here is inside. This is inside. This is a double layered. This is the inner layer to keep the bugs out, and for extra I don't know, insulation, I guess. I think this would make it a little hot for summer, but maybe it's not, because there's a plenty of air going through this mesh. And here, and it's got the curtain here. This is a curtain. I just wrapped it so that I can keep this open here. I think this will be alright for myself and a cat. This will be my sleeping place. I will have to eat outside. I'm gonna set up tarp on top of this tent, about maybe 5.5 feet high, 6 feet high. And this is gonna be my primary tent. And the secondary tent is Snugpak shelter tent, which is like only 30 bucks. But I'm gonna use that tent. It's about 6.5 feet long, 4.5 feet, 5.5 feet wide, and about 4.5 feet tall. I'm gonna use that to put blankets, clothes, all that extra stuff in there as a storage. But this one will be my tent for sleeping. And I'm gonna set this up. In the wilderness, by the trees, in the woods. It's about 25 minutes away from here. And I will keep you guys updated with the location where I'm gonna be setting it up and actually getting this tent set up and all that. I have a bicycle too. I'm gonna bring that. I bought a chain, lock chain to lock my bicycle around the tree so that nobody can take it. All right.